At the Code conference this week, the future of streaming and the role of video games was front and center. Our Julia Boorstin was there in Los Angeles and has the latest. Julia.
Hey, Sarah. Well, at Code, Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos said that the streamer wants to invest more in content and also in games. And then last night, the company announced its first big game acquisition, buying developer Night School, known for titles such as Oxenfree, which is a supernatural adventure game. Now, on stage at Code, Sarandos also took a dig at the studio, saying that they are conflicted in the way they distribute content. Warner Media CEO Jason Kilar told me that accusation was insincere and that his biggest threat isn't Netflix, but rather Amazon.
I would probably say Amazon, would be that company. Simply because of their breadth, because of their depth across a whole host of different things, both devices, content, retail, of course. But I do want to, kind of talk from my own book a little bit. We just grew revenues 31% last quarter, 31% for Warner Media.
HBO Max is continuing to roll out internationally, adding 6 more European countries just this month. Kilar also saying that they will also invest more in games, and he didn't rule out potentially even adding games to HBO Max. Guys?
You heard from so many leaders, Julia, in media and entertainment and tech over the course of the conference. What do you come away with? Do you still get the sense that we're in this continuing bull market for content where the streamers are just racing to add new content, pay a lot of money for it, and continue to add subscribers?
Yeah, absolutely. I did get a sense that, these companies are going to continue to invest in content, but the definition of content may be expanding. It's not just about series and movies. It's also about this game content. And it's really interesting because they are also navigating what the future of the theatrical movie business is going to look like. Warner Media movies, those Warner Brothers movies are available simultaneously in theaters and on HBO Max this year. That's going to end next year. But there is a lot of hope that once the Delta variant feels a little bit more under control, that people will be getting out more frequently to theaters. The question is, do they go out to fewer movies than they did pre-COVID? But still a lot of investment in content right now, Sarah.